Is YouTube causing your channel not to grow? Short answer, usually no, but it can feel like it. Here's the real breakdown, especially for creators like you who post consistently and care about quality. When it feels like YouTube is holding you back. Videos get low initial impressions. A video performs well, then suddenly flatlines. Shorts get views, but long form doesn't. Older channels feel stuck despite consistency. This isn't YouTube targeting your channel, it's YouTube testing content, not creators. What's actually happening behind the scenes? YouTube pushes videos based on click-through rate, title plus thumbnail, watch time and retention, viewer satisfaction signals, rewatches, likes, comments, consistency of topic, not upload frequency alone. If those signals don't outperform similar videos, distribution slows, even if the content is good. The truth most creators miss. YouTube does not punish small channels. Every video is judged independently. Older gear, low subs, or past videos do not hurt new uploads. Growth comes in bursts, not straight lines. You've already said something important in past conversations. Content quality matters more than subscriber count, and that's exactly how YouTube works today. How to regain momentum. Make one clear promise in your title. Design thumbnails for curiosity, not explanation. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. Stay within one core topic per video. Let videos breathe, growth often comes days or weeks later. Final takeaway. YouTube isn't stopping your channel from growing, it's waiting for a video to outperform expectations. And when one does, growth feels sudden and unfairly fast.